In school, we heard a term called mode in mathematics, which means most frequently occurring number. So if I talk about in this particular data, I can see that 1 is coming 3 times. So the mode of this data is 1. Now, how to calculate this in Excel? Now, there's a function called mode that you can use, and you can select your range like this. Now, you can see here that 10 comes twice. So the mode of this data is 10. In the same way, you can see the mode of other 4 rows. Now, what happens if there are no repetitive value? Let's check this out. So I have selected a range where there is no repetitive value. So you can see that it is giving me an NA error, which means if there is no repetitive value, you will be having a NA error. And similarly, if you are not using the number, you are using the text or other format, anything except numbers, and you're using mode function, so you will get an error for sure.
Nice.